Let's start your myofascial release routine with the feet. While we can use a big foam roller for larger parts of your body, your foot is much smaller and therefore will require a slightly different tool. Remember, we have to apply enough pressure to the fascia in order for it to get released. I will recommend you a tennis ball, golf ball, or a massage ball. If you don't have any of it, you can even use lime or lemon. Alright, so one of the main rules when it comes to foam rolling your feet is we must focus on the middle part of your foot, the soft part, the arch. Please do not go directly on your heel, okay? So let's place the ball or lime on the floor and start rolling up and down slowly and see if you can identify any trigger spots, anything that has a little bit more pain than the areas around. If you found it, stay on it, apply a little bit more pressure, and wait for 30 seconds or even more until it gets released. It could be more than one spot, okay? Then you can try and foam roll right across your foot, parallel to your toes, and see how that feels. And don't forget, we have to foam roll both feet.